Throughout all of these tutorials in this intro series to Maya, I'm going to cover some aspects that are fairly technical and other aspects that are a lot more fun. But I'd like to point out that watching each one of these videos and picking up the tips on these technical aspects is highly important. I'm not going to go through all the technical tools and features inside Maya that would take probably years for anyone to learn. But what we're going to do is look at some of the most important stuff to help you get running with Maya fairly quickly. Now, when working with Maya or any other 3D package, you're going to be working with a lot of assets. Things like textures, shaders, scripts, models, and you want to be able to organize all of those tools in a very neat way where you can find them easily. And Maya allows you to do that through project sets. So it's highly recommended that whenever you start a new project, you create a project set. That way all of your items will be saved and stored in the appropriate folders created for you. When you launch and install Maya for the very first time, a default project set will be created for you. But let's go ahead and take a look at how to create our own new project set. So to do this, we'll go up to File. We're going to scroll down to where it says Project and over to New. Now this window comes up which gives us all the different folders that are going to be created for us, and you can see there's quite a bit. And the more that you learn Maya, the more you'll understand why all of these folders are important to you. But we're not going to worry about all the naming conventions right now. All you want to do is name your project set. So for instance, up here at the top I might call this Alien Modeling Project. And I'd like to point something out that's important about naming conventions inside Maya. Do your best to avoid spaces between any of the words. So you notice right here that I've used Alien Modeling Project with spaces between Alien Modeling and Project. What you want to do is something like this: Alien underscore Modeling underscore Project. If you don't put these underscores and you do put spaces, that can cause corrupt files, so avoid that at all costs. Now that you've named this project set, to give the appropriate names to all of these folders, I suggest clicking the Use Default button. Once you click that Use Default, it's going to go ahead and add in all the appropriate names, and then all you need to do is click Accept, and this Alien Modeling Project set with all these folders is going to be created. So I'll click Accept. So if I were to create another one really quickly, I'll go to File, Project, New, and I will call this Army underscore project, and click Use Default, and then click Accept. So every single time I do that process, it's going to create all those files and all those folder structures and save it for you. So when you open Maya and you want to work on a specific project like the Alien Modeling Project or the Army project that I just created, and you want to work with all the folders where all the assets are saved, you'll simply go to File, Project, and then Set. And it's going to bring you to the folder where you can select a different project set. Now, as I mentioned, when you install Maya for the first time, it'll create a default project set. And right now we have an Army project folder and an Alien Modeling Project folder which we created. So I'll click on the Alien Modeling Project, which is going to make that the Set project, and click Set. Now, basically, what is this done by setting this as my project? Essentially, now when I do things like File and Open Scene, instead of just randomly searching around your computer, it'll go directly to that folder structure that you see right here. So you can see over on the left-hand side it says Alien Modeling Project, and then we have all those folders that we just created. So for instance, if I did have images already saved in this project set, all I would need to do is click on the Images folder, or sounds, or clips, or any other assets. I have them available to me right now. I'll click Cancel, and if I wanted to work on a different project, I can go to File, Project, Set, and we could choose something like the Army project, hit Set, and then now if I were to do something like open a file or a scene, it's going to be set to that Army project. So again, this might not be totally clear to you right now because you haven't really created anything in Maya or saved anything out. But the real point of this video is just to show you how to create a project set and how to set a project set, and understand that you should be doing this before each one of your projects.